Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to give you this very short orientation. We are taking this heavy truck to the port of Antwerp. We drove about 400 kilometers. We started around 1 o'clock midnight from Frankfurt. We almost reached port of Antwerp now. This is a refrigerator truck, another truck which we are delivering to Angola. As you see, there is a heavy traffic. Yes, a very heavy traffic as we get closer to the port. After we deliver the truck, we will take a train back to Frankfurt. This is MAN truck with automatic transmission, air conditioning, power steering, retarder, and it is 7.5 tons. Yes, thank you very much for watching from Giza Auto Export. Bye bye. Hello everyone, I would like to give you a short orientation about this car. This car is called Toyota Auris. This is a brand new car made 2019 this year. It's made according to German standards and tested on German highway, and it fulfills the German emission law, which is very high. It means this car has a very low emission and very efficient engine. This is how it looks from inside. It has a video, rear park, king camera also for the front side. It's an automatic transmission, automatic air conditioning system. That means you just set the climate or the temperature you want, it will regulate it automatically. The car has a very efficient, that means very economical engine. Okay, this is how it looks from the behind. Of course, it is a left-hand drive car. This is how you see it from inside. This is the luggage compartment. You will see there are no more spare tires in new cars. This is how it comes. It comes with a compressor, a little bottle with the fluid which will seal the tire if it is deflated. Okay, that's it. This is how Toyota makes the cars. This car is now ready to go to airport to be transported to Ethiopia. I can show you the engine compartment. This is how it looks like. Everything is very clean, brand new. This car has now only about 40 kilometers just from its manufacturer to the garage and then to the airport. That's it. Okay, so if you have any questions about this kind of car or different kind of cars or buses or trucks, please let us know or visit our website. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, I would like to make a very short video about a car which is going to Freetown, Sierra Leone. This is one of the mostly used cars in Sierra Leone. It's a Nissan X-Trail. You can see how it looks like. It's an SUV 4x4 petrol engine with automatic transmission. I'm going to show you now the exterior part. This is how it looks like. You can't imagine that this car is 13 years old, but that's how it is. Cars in Germany are very well maintained. Even if they are older, they look like new, almost like new. Okay, the car has 4 extra tires, reserve tires. We have tied the tires with a chain here and a lock, so they can be secured and nobody can take them. Okay. This car has full leather seats. The sun is shining, so there's a lot of light here, so you can see the car has a television, a video player at the back of the seats for the right hand side and left hand side. It's immaculate condition. This is the front part. As you see, it has a radio, CD and video player, has automatic air conditioning system. You see, you can set up the air conditioning at any temperature you want, then it will automatically set it up. Let's start the engine now. Okay, so this is how easy it is. You can drive the car in two-wheel drive mode, automatic, or in a low condition, but we prefer to use a two-wheel drive unless it's necessary to use it on mountains and very bad roads. Okay, it has also here a cruise control on the steering wheel. As you see, you can set the speed if you go on a highway and you don't want to press the accelerator every time. You can reduce volume and increase volume of a radio, or you can watch video while you are parking or something like that. This car has been driven only about 165,000 kilometers. It's very quiet, like you see it. It has a manual here. This is the manual, Nissan X-Trail manual. Everything is explained in there. Okay, we put it in the glove compartment. Okay. Okay. All right. So, of course, it has power windows. Then let me show you the engine compartment. This is a very clean 4-cylinder engine. As you see, it's running very smoothly. Okay, very dry. And what can I tell you? From time to time we make short orientation about some of the cars, but not all of them. Okay, we already check oil, power steering oil, engine oil, and water coolant, I mean engine coolant fluid, brake fluid, everything. Alright, these are the non-headlines. You see how it's sparkling. A very beautiful car with alloy wheels. These are the alloy wheels, which are already mounted on the car. Okay, so if a car is 15 years old or 13 years old, don't worry, it's really not old. The car is really great, has been maintained very well, otherwise it wouldn't be allowed to be driven on a German highway with the most precise process. That's how the control or inspection has to take place every 2 years. Okay, now this car is ready to go to the port of Antwerp, and then we are very happy to show you such kind of cars, so that you have an idea what you would like to get in the future. Okay, our phone number is here. You can also send us WhatsApp, text message, or give us a phone call if you want to have a car or a truck or a bus to be shipped to your country. We ship to all countries in the world, but we mainly ship to African ports because we have lots of connections in Africa. So we also can do air cargo and also car shipping. All right, yes, some people would like to have their car to be flown by airplane. If it's especially a brand new car, that's what they want to do. Okay, so we have so many cars here, and if we don't have it, we source it for you and we inspect it for you. This is our job. We have mechanics and engineers on board who will do the job of inspection and repairing. A car has to be driven and working properly before it can be loaded. Okay, thank you very much for watching. You can visit our website from time to time or send us your request. If you need any car parts or truck parts, send us an email or text. We will deliver any car part by post, by air cargo. Okay, we are very glad to show you all the means we have available for you. All right, whether you want a SUV or a small car or like a minivan, we specialize on many different kind of cars. German cars, French cars,